Hi guys, do you have 10 minutes? You guys are going to be hearing me say that a lot because I am excited to announce that in July, I am going to be starting a new series called 10 with Jen. And it is going to be things that you can do in 10 minutes. I have so many fun episodes planned, just little tidies that you can do around your house in 10 minutes. I will be doing one episode once a week. This series will be aimed for people who are busy in their careers, busy raising families, people who have a chronic illness, people who are older, whatever stage of life you're in. If you have 10 minutes to spare, I'm going to show you what a difference you can make in just 10 minutes. So once a week, starting in July, you will hear, "Hi friends, do you have 10 minutes?" And you will know that we are going to work together to make something around our home better in just 10 minutes. This was inspired by my sweet friend here on YouTube. Her name is Melinda. Her channel name is Melinda, plain and simple. She did not ask me to do this, but I'm going to link her channel in the description box below just because we were talking one day and we were brainstorming things, and I loved when she did 10 minutes better. And so she had told me she did 10 minutes better as a monthly collab, and I was part of it, and she's told me for a year, if you want to do 10 minutes better, you can. And I was just kind of like, well, I kind of think I might want to do it. And then she was like, what about 10 with Jen? So she totally thought of that name, and I was like, I like it. And then I started to feel inspired because I was thinking and writing down all of these things that you can do in 10 minutes. So I have not felt this excited about something. I've been keeping it a secret for a while because I was like, when do I want to launch 10 with Jen? And I was like, July. I want to launch it in July. So next week is my monthly declutter recap with, recap on Thursday. So I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and introduce it so I can give you guys time to know what's coming. I'm gonna start advertising for it on my Instagram and all of that other stuff because I am so excited about this because I know 10 minutes, we all have we all have 10 minutes that we can give. And I just think it's gonna help us all so much to keep things tidier and just to kind of have an idea of what you can do in 10 minutes. This is actually based on a show that I used to play when I was little. It was called Waiting on Water to Boil. And in this show that I pretended to film, it was all about waiting on water to boil and things that you could do while you waited on water to boil. And I would make up exercises that you could do on the countertops, and I would talk about how you could call and make a doctor's appointment. I had all of these things that I used to play whenever I was little because it seemed like it took so long to wait on water to boil. So I'm kind of combining the two. I'm kind of combining 10 minutes better with waiting for water to boil, and I'm kind of merging it into one, and it's going to be 10 with Jen. So coming in July, 10 with Jen. Right now I'm scheduling it for every Thursday. I might change my mind and move it to another day. I might start doing more than one 10 with Jens, but it will just be simple things that you can do around your home to improve it in just 10 minutes. So I look forward to seeing you in July with 10 with Jen. And I will see you guys back here on my channel with another deep cleaning video this Sunday. So make sure that you tune in this Sunday. I'm going to be deep cleaning in my living room. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Love you. Bye-bye.